Hi, welcome back. You should have had practice with your simple sentences and maybe some of your compound sentences. What we're going to do right now is review the simple sentences and then show you how to use your simple sentences to structure a compound sentence. So, remember we said that a simple sentence was nothing more than a noun and a verb. Using our parts of speech, we said we picked dog from the noun column and we picked ran from the verb column, combined them, and we made a simple sentence. We did the same thing with the bird flew and the boy fell. Now we're going to learn how to construct a compound sentence using these sentences that you have already written. So as you can see, we're not going to waste this work. It's just the process that we're using to build on it. Okay? So the way you write a compound sentence is by combining two sentences with a coordinating conjunction: and, or, nor, for, yet, so, or but. So let's just take these two here. So a compound sentence is a noun and a verb with a coordinating conjunction and another noun and a verb. So we have two sentences. We're going to connect them. So we're going to say the dog ran and the bird flew. Period. Remember, every sentence must end with a period. Must contain a noun and a verb. And it does. So we're going to identify the parts of speech. There's the noun, there's our verb, there's our coordinating conjunction. So what you're going to do is put a CC and circle it. There's another noun and a verb. And we said when we have a noun-verb coordinating conjunction noun-verb formula, then it is a compound sentence. So this is a compound sentence. Now you know how to construct a simple and a compound sentence. We're going to use these two sentences to write a paragraph. Many authors just use simple sentences and compound sentences. Hemingway was a Pulitzer Prize-winning author. He wrote Old Man and the Sea and other books. And he used simple compound sentences using adjectives and verbs, and he became an excellent writer. So you're well on your way to writing just with these two sentences. But as we go through the program, you'll learn these two sentences are used to construct these two. And you'll have mastery of all four sentence structures. Now we're ready to start writing paragraphs. So at the bottom of this page, you have another activity sheet. Go ahead and download that. Practice your compound simple sentences, and I'll see you in the next video.